I've got over 150 million views and got millions of subscribers on YouTube in the past few years, and here are 20 settings that can kill your YouTube channel, which means you will get no views. So for example, I'm going to use this channel, and for the first setting that is very important that can kill your channel, you need to go to your YouTube studio, then go to one of your videos by clicking this button here called details. Then once we are inside the video, we can actually scroll down, and here you can see this feature called publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. It should be automatically checked for most of the channels. And you need to make sure that it's always on when you upload your new videos, so YouTube will actually notify your subscribers and will show your videos in their subscription feed. And especially the first few hours are very important for the performance of your video. So if you don't have this on, then YouTube won't notify your subscribers and you might get less views in the first hours, which means YouTube might think that people don't enjoy your video and it might not be pushed by the algorithm, which can ruin the whole performance of your video. Now keep in mind that videos can still go viral after time, even if they didn't get much views in the first few hours, but there will be less chance of it happening. And there's just one case when you want to turn this off, and I see a lot of small channels doing this mistake that literally kills their channel growth. And the only time that it makes sense for you to turn this off is when you want to change the niche or category of content that you are uploading to your channel. Let's say you have a gaming channel about Minecraft and you want to pivot your niche and start uploading videos about GTA 5. In that case, it's better to turn this off so your old subscribers who were Minecraft fans won't get notified about your new GTA 5 video, because probably they will not click on your video, which will be a negative signal for the algorithm, which means it will hurt the performance of your video. So in that case, it would be better to turn this off so YouTube can have a better chance of understanding that that video should be promoted to a new audience. So the next big important setting that can kill your channel is called "Is your video made for kids?" It's in this section right here, and basically you need to accurately choose whether or not your video is made for kids. And just to give you an example, when we say made for kids, just because kids would find the video interesting doesn't mean that it's made for them. In this case, kids is defined as people under the age of 14. I think we can safely say that kids would be interested in watching Harry Potter movies. But it doesn't necessarily mean though that Harry Potter movies are specifically designed for people under the age of 14. It just happens to be some audience overlap. On the other hand, Peppa Pig, for example, probably will be appealing to many people under the age of 14. However, most older audiences are not going to be interested in it at all. So in that case, it's safe to say that Peppa Pig is designed for kids. So in that case, you need to choose yes, the video is made for kids. Hope this makes sense. Now, why is this important? Is because if you choose the not correct answer with this, YouTube might actually restrict your channel. And the other thing to keep in mind is if you choose yes, it's made for kids, your video is going to be very limited. For example, there's going to be no comments on your video, you are not going to be able to make money from the video because it's for kids, and a whole bunch of other annoying things. And the third important setting is if we come down here, you will find this section called automatic chapters. And most people turn this on. But if you turn this on, then most of the time, YouTube's AI will create automatic chapters for your videos. And in 99% of the time, they are either no good or they spoil and reveal your entire video, which decreases your audience retention. So unless you are like an education channel and you think that chapters are essential to your video, then you can have it. But if you have time and you are going to add chapters to your video, which I really recommend you to do, then add them manually. And to do this, you need to go to the end of the description of your videos and then start typing the numbers by 0000 and then just name the chapter of your video. And then you just simply write when your last chapter ends, let's say at 10 seconds, and then you write the name of the next chapter of your video. And then you continue doing that until you have all the chapters for your video. Keep in mind that you always need to start your timestamps or chapters with the 00.00 and always click save at the top right so it will actually work. The next chapter is in the same page of the video and you need to scroll down and uncheck these boxes called allow automatic places because you don't want YouTube to show you where you record your videos from. And also you need to turn off this feature called allow automatic concepts. As you can see, it's an experiment, so you don't have to have automatic concepts of your videos. The next mistake that beginners make that I see that can really kill your channel is that when you start off a new channel and you have no content, you need to customize your channel homepage so it can actually look good and help you increase your views. And to do that, I recommend you to go to your YouTube analytics, click on the customization tab right here. Then here you need to click on this For You page, click more settings, and then turn videos on, and choose recent content only, and then click done, and then don't forget to click publish at the right top. And the reason that it's important to do this is when you turn this on, when people will go to your channel page, YouTube algorithm will actually show them the videos that they are more interested first. So it basically turns your channel page into a recommendations page, which will increase your views. Now the next extremely important setting that can help you a lot is this. Again, we need to be in the YouTube studio, and then we click on this settings button at the left bottom. Then we click channel and click this button here called feature eligibility. And then you need to complete these tabs and verify with a phone number your YouTube channel. Because if you don't do that, you won't be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and most importantly, you won't be able to upload custom thumbnails on your videos. As you can see, it's enabled for me here. So if you haven't enabled it yourself yet, make sure to click here and follow the steps, so you will enable your channel to have more advanced features, which are extremely important. Now the next important step that most people don't have is you need to click on this customization tab again in the YouTube studio, and here click branding. And then I recommend you to upload a YouTube logo, banner, but most importantly upload a video watermark. You just need to click this button here called change and upload the logo of your channel here. And what it will actually allow you to do is when other people would be watching your videos, there will be always a small watermark in the right bottom corner of your video. And when people actually click on that, they would be able to subscribe to your channel, which means it's a nice way to boost your subscribers count. Alright, so for the next important setting, you need to go to the settings page on your YouTube studio, then click this second button called channel. And here in the keyword section, you can actually add some keywords or tags about your channel. In this example, as you can see, I added my name because this is a personal channel. But if you, for example, have a gaming channel, then you can add here keywords like the actual name of the game that you make videos about on your channel, etc. Now it won't make a huge difference, but it can slightly help YouTube to understand what your channel is about, because especially when you create a new channel, the more data you can give to YouTube, the more accurately YouTube can understand who to recommend your videos to. Now the next extremely important setting is in the upload default section, and what you need to do is go here and change the visibility from public to private, and then don't forget to click save. And when you do this, from now on, whenever you will be uploading new videos on your channel, first they will be saved private, and then you manually have to make them public. And the reason that you are doing this is because you don't want it to be public, because what if you just make a mistake while uploading the video and then it will be published that way? Instead, you need to choose private, so you will have time to actually edit your videos and optimize them when it's private and no one sees that, and only after that you will manually make a video public in the separate video settings page. Now the next important page is called descriptions, and here you can actually add stuff that you want all your descriptions to have. For example, here I added my social media pages, so I don't have to add them manually for all my future videos. Now the next important section here is called community section, and what you can actually do is you can go here and you can add blocked words. For example, if you don't want people to curse in the comment section of your videos, then you can add these words here and YouTube will automatically block it off. So your comment section will be way cleaner and a more family-friendly place to be. And also what I recommend you to do is click here and block links and click save, so people won't be able to spam links under your videos. Now for the next important setting, you need to click on the content page, then open your video, scroll down and find this section called category. And what you want to do is to change the category and choose something that matches your niche. So for example, if you are uploading gaming videos, then make sure to choose gaming, and here you can even choose the exact game that your channel is about. So let's say this channel is about Minecraft, then I would just type Minecraft here, and then you can actually choose the game here and click save. And then YouTube would actually have more data on what your channel is about, and it will increase your chances for your videos to be recommended to the right audience, so you can actually get more views. Now the next feature is called scheduling, and most people actually don't upload their videos in the right day and time. And to do this, you need to click on the analytics tab, go to your audience section right here, scroll down, and in this section called when your viewers are on YouTube, you can actually see hour by hour on what are the most active hours and days for your audience. For example, for me, I can see that my audience is most active at 6 p.m. at my local time on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So when I know this information, I can actually schedule and publish my content at this exact day and time, so my audience will be active. I can get more initial views in the first hours, which will boost my my chances of my video going viral. This is a very important feature to make sure to use it to maximize your chances of getting more views on YouTube. Now for the next important settings, you need to click on the settings button right here, then click on the upload defaults, then click on the advanced settings. And what you can do here is you can turn this off of allowing automatic chapters and key moments, and then you won't have to uncheck it for all of your next videos. And then what you can do, you can choose the license of your videos, which is most of the time should be the standard YouTube license. And most importantly, the next setting is that you should choose here the language of your videos. So if all of your videos are in English, then make sure to choose English in these two fields here, so you don't have to choose it for all of your next videos manually. And then again, YouTube would understand your video is in English, and you would have slightly more chances of your videos getting recommended to the right audience. And the next very important setting on YouTube is the following. If you open a particular video, then on the left corner right here, you can see this button called editor, and click get started right here. You can actually edit your video even after it's uploaded to your channel. So let's say you uploaded the video to your channel, and then you saw that in the last 5 seconds, you made a mistake and there's a black screen. Now to fix it, you don't have to delete your video and re-upload it. You can just use this tool here called trim and cut, and you can simply cut the last seconds of your video or any part that you want. Again, I believe this is a feature that can save you some time, so make sure to use it. Now for the next important setting, you need to go to the customization section in your YouTube studio, then click this third field here called basic info. And what you want to do is just add a short description of what your channel is about. For example, you can see here that I've added about myself and what my channel is about. So when people will go to your channel page, they can actually find out about you and your channel and understand if they should subscribe or not. So make sure to add a short description about what your channel is about and who it is for. Make sure to keep it short and simple because you shouldn't overcomplicate it. And the next important field here is called links. So what you can do is you can click on this button here called add a link. You can give your link a title. So let's say I want to add my Twitter account or X account to my YouTube channel. Then I would just type here Twitter X, right? And then I would just add the link here and click publish on the top right section. And you can see that the link has been added here. So what it does is when people will be on your channel page, now they can see your Twitter page, for example, and they can click on it and follow you there. Now you can add whatever link you want. You can add your Instagram page, your TikTok account, or just a link to a website where you sell your products or services. So make sure to use this section here and add links so people can connect with you on other platforms as well. Now the next important setting is something that most people get wrong, and it causes a lot of channels being hacked, stolen, or deleted. So for this feature, you need to scroll down on the same page that we were, and here you need to add your contact email. So brands or companies can actually contact you to be able to offer you some brand deals, pay you money for sponsorships, etc, etc. But what most people get wrong that deletes their channel is that they actually, when they write their email here, they add their personal email, or even worse, they add the same exact email that they used to create the channel. So what that does, it is exposes your email to the public, and hackers use that to contact you, and they pretend to be big companies and offer you to do brand deals. But actually when you click on their links, they steal the password of your channel and they are able to get access to it, and then they either delete it or blackmail you and want money from you, so they will give the channel back to you. So what you want to do is create a separate brand new Gmail account that you have no other information on, that is not connected to anything important, and only then add that email address here and make sure to click publish. And when you do that, now on your channel page, people can actually find your email address right here, so you won't miss any good opportunities or any important emails from people that want to contact you. But you also won't be exposing your main personal or business email to the world and won't help hackers to hack you, which will decrease the chances of you getting hacked. And as an extra pro tip for you, make sure to add two-factor authentication to your Gmail account, so it will be harder for the hackers to hack your account. Now for the next very important setting that can actually help you boost your views is called end screens and cards. And to use them, you need to go to your YouTube studio, click on the content tab, and then open one of your individual videos. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down, click on this button here called cards, and then you click on this plus button here and click video. And then you can choose one of your previous videos and place it in the most relevant place of your video. And when people will be watching your video, one of your videos will pop up as a recommendation, and people can click on it and watch one of your previous videos instead of clicking off and closing YouTube, which will boost your views. For example, as you can see right now, I'm adding an ad screen of one of our previous videos where I show how I've been able to make over $500,000 of passive income with my YouTube channels. So if you want to check it out, you can click on the card after watching this video, and you can also find it in the description of this video and check it out. So you can see what I did here. And of course, don't forget to click save after each changes you make. Now, before we talk about one of the most important settings that you want to have to boost your views as much as possible, first let's talk about this extremely important feature for YouTube Shorts. So when you go to your YouTube Shorts section, and if you have any YouTube Shorts uploaded to your channel, then you need to open them up. And what you can actually do is in this right section here called related video, you can open that up and choose one of your long form videos and click save. And if you do that, when people will be watching your YouTube short, the video that you selected will pop up here and they can just click on it and it will redirect you to one of your long form videos. So what you can do is you can create YouTube shorts and promote one of your long form videos. And imagine if your YouTube shorts goes viral and gets 1 million views, and even if just 1% of the viewers decide to click on your long form video, that can still be an additional 10,000 views that you gained on your long form video by just turning this on. And now I'm going to share you the last important setting that if you use, you can literally increase your views anywhere from 10 to 30% completely for free. So again, you need to be in the YouTube studio to do this, and then you click on the content tab and open one of your individual YouTube videos. And then on the right corner, you'll find this section called end screen. And when you click it and click plus button right here, then choose video, you can actually grab one of your older videos and place it in the end of your video. So it makes it very easy for some people to click on the screen and to continue watching one of your other videos. And because session time is very important for YouTube, and if you don't know what session time is, it's basically how much time people spend combined watching all of your videos. If you do that, it will actually increase your views by a lot. And for example, if you want to get access to our completely free course where I show how I actually scaled some of my channels to millions of subscribers and how I made $500,000 of passive income with it, and I share all the secrets and all the strategies, then all you need to do is just click on the video right here and you can watch the video for free. You see what I did here? But anyways, if you are interested to learn all my strategies on how I go viral on YouTube, where I even reveal one of my actual channels that succeeds, then just click on the video if you are interested and I will see you there. Seriously though, click, because that video is going to help you a lot, and I will see you there.